In this video we'll be covering the Carolina rig. The Carolina rig is great to use for bottom fishing, and it's very simple and easy to tie and effectively use. So here's the tackle needed to make up the Carolina rig. Here we have our 1.5 ounce egg sinker, but that weight is going to be dependent on where you're fishing and what the current's like where you're fishing. Here we have a plastic bead, and that's just going to be a spacer between your egg sinker and your swivel. Your swivel is going to be used to attach your standing line to your leader. And it's going to be nice because that's going to hold this weight in place. Next we have our 20-pound monofilament leader. You can also use fluorocarbon, just depends on where you're fishing and how you're fishing again. And this is your 1/0 inline circle hook. So here we have our fully assembled Carolina rig. And here we have our 1.5 ounce egg sinker and our bead that acts as a spacer between our swivel and our weight. Because when we're casting this and it's sitting out in the current, you don't want that weight to be beaten up on that knot that you tied. And if you need help with knot tying and just fishing knots in general, we have a bunch of videos on our YouTube channel that can help you guys out. But after our swivel here, we have the leader, which is tied on. And for today, we actually have a leader that is twine. We usually use a heavier pound test leader than our standing line just to help protect it from fish's teeth and rocks and structure like that. We recommend for leader that you use anywhere from 9 to 24 inches of leader. And you tie that down here with a fishing knot onto your inline circle hook. This is a 1/0 inline circle hook. But one of the benefits of fishing this is it's great for the bottom because your rig is just going to sit on the bottom like this, allowing your live bait, if it's live, dead, it's just going to sit there, to swim freely and act more natural and look more natural to the fish. And that way when it bites on, it won't know, and you'll be able to set that hook properly. And that is the Carolina rig.